In more than 100 developing countries, malaria is as common as the flu. It's carried by mosquitoes, whose bites then infect victims.
Malaria is a parasite that's carried by particular species of mosquitoes. Those mosquitoes are active at night, and so if you're out at night and unprotected, and a mosquito bites you and it's a carrier of malaria, you're at risk.
When rain comes, death comes.
That's a phrase often heard by those involved in the fight against malaria. Mosquitoes are prolific during the rainy season, opening the door for the deadly disease. Symptoms include high fever, vomiting, and headaches. Malaria can be successfully treated, but patients need to seek treatment quickly.
The problem in a lot of parts of the world is people don't get to treatment quickly enough. You know, they think, oh, well, I'm sick, I'll just wait and see if I'm going to be better tomorrow, when what they really needed to do was get to a clinic straight away.
The best way to prevent malaria is to sleep under a mosquito net. The nets are treated with an insecticide that repels and kills mosquitoes.
See that it only costs $5. It's very cost effective, and yet a large mosquito net like that can be enough for a whole family to sleep under, and it can save people's lives.
Mozambique, Africa is one of ADRA's areas of concentration in this battle against malaria. The World Health Organization estimates that 95% of Mozambique's population is at risk of the disease, and it's the #1 killer of children.
The project that ADRA has been working on is an interfaith collaboration where the Adventist Church are amongst the leaders, and it has been about mobilizing church leaders to get behind 5 key messages that the Ministry of Health has put together that, if followed, will prevent malaria.
Webster says that connecting faith leaders with government officials in the prevention of malaria is key. When church leaders speak to their own congregations about how to prevent malaria, he says the widespread effect is very powerful. Some have already gone through an entire rainy season without anyone in their family contracting malaria. In Atlanta, I'm Wendy Rogers for Adventist Newsline.